Hi friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Brutus Monroe Autumn Bundles Inspiration Box. This is the October box, and mine showed up, was it yesterday? Regardless, I didn't have an opportunity to open it up, and I haven't even looked at it, barely cut it open just now. So I know most of you probably already have your box, but I believe it's still available for those of you who didn't get it. So if you want to take a look at what's inside before you buy it, you can. As I've said before, one of the things I love about the boxes is just how beautiful the box comes in the mail. I mean, if that doesn't make you happy when it shows up in your mailbox, I don't know what would. I mean, that shining at you. So it's gorgeous, puts me in the total mood for fall, and the fact that it was 50-some degrees this morning is even better. So let's pop into it. I haven't even looked at it yet, so I'll set this off to the side and we will snag a look. Oh gosh, oh yeah, there is so much in here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's grab our pin first. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little turkey. That matches the stamp of the month. Oh my gosh. Which I don't have yet, but isn't that adorable? That is so stinking cute. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, this thing is filled. Here's our Sequin Pack, which is ginormous. Check that out. So many sequins in there, and we've got some gold, we've got some brown, we've got some orange. I see a shaker in the future. We also have, oh cute, look at the stencil. Does that match? Oh my gosh, I don't know, but I love this. That is absolutely beautiful. So you have a leaf, you've got an apple and an acorn. It looks like a whole bundle of gourds. Something tells me that might match with something, so let's take a look at that. Our ribbon, everything is so matchy-matchy. Oh my goodness, I love it. Those are just gorgeous fall colors, and you get about a yard of each, and these look like they're like the satin type, so we've got like a, almost like a bronzy color, an orange, and a burgundy. Super beautiful. Super beautiful. Here we have our Foilables. Oh my gosh. I love these. Let's take a look. I love that style. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. This would be fun to color. Or sponge, that's one thing. So we've got that panel. Oh, that's really pretty. We've got another one. Oh, they're all basically the same type of style. Just, you get 2 each of the panels, so you have 8 panels in there. These are so stinking cute. So fall. I love it. Tea. Tea. Love it. That's so cute. So there's 8 of those. Oh my gosh, check this out. We have a die set. So mine are already popping out the sides. We'll just go ahead and pull those out. Look at all those dies. I love that fun leaf. They're all leaves. Oh, these are so cool. I don't have anything like these. Those are just so cartoony-like looking. I don't even know if that's the right word, but I love it. And then this one looks like it has some really pretty embossing detail. They all do. They all look like they have gorgeous embossing detail. So that's beautiful. You get 5 dies. I have somebody who may be coming to say hello. He's interested in the box as well. Oh, we have some golden gourd. Is this embossing powder? It is embossing powder. Golden gourd embossing powder. I need to emboss that out so you can get a look at how beautiful that is. Hello, Miles. How are you, baby? How are you, baby? Let's emboss this. We'll do it on a chunk of black, because why not? And then we'll also do it on a chunk of white. What do you think, Bubs? You love the purple tape. I don't love it, but he sure loves it. Don't you? Okay. Why don't you go play? All right, so we're just going to take our embossing pad and we're just going to put it right on there. I'm going to go and use my better judgment this time. I'm afraid I'll spill it everywhere if I don't. So I'm just going to put the ink right on the paper. So it'll give you a whole understanding of just how beautiful that is. You can see a full chunk of it. Let's Let's dump some there. And then let's heat emboss here. Okay. Let's heat that up. Wow. Okay, so that looks super stunning on black. Check that out. And then it looks really good even on the white. So you get two different options here. Dark cardstocks, light cardstocks. So that's beautiful. Let's put all this back in here so I don't dump it everywhere. I already did sort of though, huh? Okay, so we've got those. Now let's grab out the papers. Okay, so here is, oh, this is the September box. I don't know why I thought October. So we're at the end of September. I do believe that there are some, well, I guess it's going to be October by the time I might get this up. So you have some beautiful orange glitter stock, absolutely gorgeous. Then we also have some lightweight cardstocks in black, like a cream, a craft color, a very bright orange, and this beautiful like a burgundy color. So these are great, great layering, just really pretty all around. And now let's take a look at the stamp set. Oh yeah, that's what that, yeah, okay, here it is. Look at how absolutely cute this is. So you have an awesome little cart where you can put leaves in it, apples, gourds, and even some acorns. Your sentiments read, bundles of hugs, wishing you a beautiful autumn season and autumn greetings. And then we have this darling little squirrel character who's holding a nut. But look at this. This is supposed to, I believe, can this go over the top? It stencils right over the top. Check that out. Is that not cool or what? So there you go. You have that option. I like that. I wonder if some of these can go over the top of these. Possibly. Possibly. Uh-huh. Yeah, you could probably stencil over a few of those if you really wanted to. This one, right there. Ah, how cute is that? I have an idea. Okay, so there you go. As far as I know, this is still available. If any of the pieces are available separately, I will absolutely have those linked. I would love to know what you think of this. And if you liked this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe because you know I'm going to have a bunch of cards making this. I'm hoping to get them done before this weekend because we're heading out of town camping again for a few days, and I won't have access to any of the my craft stuff. So, all right, guys, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.